Welcome back to Trending Cars, the place where we dive deep into the world of extraordinary machines that redefine luxury, performance, and lifestyle. Today, we're stepping into a realm where comfort meets craftsmanship, where technology meets elegance, and where the open road becomes your private luxury estate. We're talking about the $3 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, one of the most exclusive and luxurious motorhomes on the planet. This is not just a vehicle. It's a work of art on wheels, designed for those who expect nothing but perfection. Let's explore every detail of this incredible machine, from its commanding exterior presence to the unmatched elegance of its interior, the smooth power it delivers, and of course, the price tag that puts it in a class of its own. From the outside, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach makes an instant statement. Built on the iconic Prevost chassis, known for its strength, stability, and reliability, this coach carries a design that blends modern sophistication with aerodynamic efficiency. The paintwork is nothing short of stunning, a multi-layer custom finish with intricate graphics, giving each Liberty Coach its own unique identity. The body lines are clean and sleek, while the massive panoramic windshield wraps around the front, offering the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. LED lighting accents run along the exterior, giving it a distinctive glow at night, and every storage compartment is seamlessly integrated into the side panels for a flawless, uninterrupted look. Even the roof is engineered for functionality, housing solar panels and climate control units without compromising the coach's elegant profile. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into another world. The interior of the 2026 Liberty Coach is a masterclass in design, comfort, and craftsmanship. Every detail is hand-finished using the finest materials, from Italian leather seating to exotic wood veneers, from polished stone countertops to custom-made cabinetry. The floor plan is designed to feel open and spacious, with clever use of lighting and layout to make the interior feel more like a luxury apartment than an RV. Ambient LED lighting can be customized to set the mood, whether you want a bright, energizing atmosphere or a calm, relaxing glow. The living area features plush sofas, swivel recliners, and a massive 65-inch 4K OLED TV paired with a state-of-the-art surround sound system, perfect for entertainment on the go. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with premium appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, and even a built-in espresso machine. Everything is seamlessly integrated, and the storage solutions are both practical and beautifully crafted. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, luxury bedding, and motorized shades for privacy. Large wardrobes and hidden storage compartments ensure you can bring everything you need for extended journeys. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a spacious walk-in shower featuring rainfall and handheld shower heads, heated floors, and high-end fixtures. The marble and stone finishes give it the feel of a spa rather than a traditional RV bathroom. Performance is where the Prevost Liberty Coach stands out as more than just a luxury home. Underneath the body lies a Detroit diesel DD13 engine, delivering smooth, powerful performance that allows this massive coach to handle long distances with ease. The power is managed by an advanced Allison automatic transmission, ensuring gear changes are seamless and efficient. Despite its size, the Liberty Coach offers a surprisingly comfortable and stable ride, thanks to its Prevost independent suspension system and adaptive shock absorbers. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating winding roads, it feels controlled, smooth, and secure. Driving this coach is made even easier with the suite of advanced driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation systems, and a 360-degree camera setup that gives you a clear view around the entire vehicle. The massive windshield and side mirrors provide excellent visibility, and the steering is precise for a vehicle of this size. It's not just built for comfort when parked, it's designed to be a pleasure to drive. Technology is at the heart of the Liberty Coach experience. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control everything: lighting, climate, entertainment, and even security from a central touchscreen or via your smartphone. The Coach is equipped with high-speed satellite internet, ensuring you can stay connected no matter where you are. Solar panels feed a large lithium-ion battery bank, allowing extended off-grid stays without sacrificing any of the luxury amenities. Multiple climate zones ensure every part of the Coach is perfectly comfortable, and an advanced air filtration system keeps the interior fresh and clean. When it comes to price, the $3 million tag might sound extravagant, but in the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes, it reflects the level of craftsmanship, exclusivity, and performance you're getting. Each Liberty Coach is custom-built to its owner's exact specifications, meaning no two are exactly alike. The level of personalization and attention to detail is unmatched, and the ownership experience includes dedicated service and support from the Liberty Coach team. This is not a motorhome for someone looking for a simple way to travel. This is for those who want the freedom of the open road without giving up the comfort, elegance, and convenience of the most luxurious residences. Whether you're parked by a quiet lakeside, overlooking a mountain range, or in the heart of a bustling city, the Prevost Liberty Coach ensures you have a home that's as refined as any high-end penthouse. In conclusion, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is the ultimate expression of luxury travel. From its striking exterior design and opulent interior to its smooth, powerful performance and cutting-edge technology, it delivers an unmatched experience on every level. It's more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a promise that no matter where the road takes you, you'll get there in absolute comfort and style. If you have the means, there's simply nothing else on wheels that compares.